Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Green Bengal. Today I am going to show how to make coconut husk. This is a coconut husk. Coconut husks are mainly used as a plant growing media for flower such orchid, adenium and rose plant. Coconut husk is a very well drainage media. It use have more benefit. Number 1, coconut husk has the capacity to keep moisture inside, which help the plant growth. Number 2, it maintained good temperature for plant. Number 3, it maintained good pH value for plant. Number 4, reduce fungal growth in the plant. And number 5, it is a 100% natural fiber. Okay, let's start how to make this coconut husk. First, we need one coconut and remove the outside surface of the coconut. I am already remove one coconut outside surface. Take this husk and cut into the small pieces like this. My coconut husk is ready for use. Thank you for watching my video. Please like my video and share my video. If you have any query, please comment me and subscribe my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.